Good morning, students. Today we will learn the new topic that is known as the mutation. The sudden, stable, inheritable change in genetic material of an organism is termed as mutation. The organism which undergoes mutation is called mutant, and the agent of mutation is known as mutagen. A very good example is known as the ultraviolet radiation. Actually, what happens when the evolution was going on the earth? There were many theories which proves that among them mutation is also De Vries. De Vries, named scientist, he proposed that mutation, it is the most important factor which results into the variation. Actually, the unit of mutation is called muton. When mutation takes place due to single base pair change in DNA sequence, it is called point mutation. Example, sickle cell anemia. Gene mutation results in alteration in the sequence of bases of DNA or change in the base, thereby change in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. Actually, when there is the formation of messenger, and when there is the, in the next class we will learn, means new chapter, we will discuss that actually how the central dogma, it follows the information which is transferred from DNA to messenger RNA. So actually at that time there is some changes which may occur into the bases of the DNA. When there will be change in the base, thereby change in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. Deletion or insertion, duplication, addition of one or two bases in the DNA results in a change in the reading frame, thereby resulting in a polypeptide with a different set of amino acids. Structural alterations of the chromosome results due to loss or gain of large segment of DNA, as DNA genes are located on the chromosomes. Actually, when we are talking about the, suppose, chromosomal aberration, there may be one number of chromosome may be lost, or the segments of chromatids may be lost, or there is the addition of one, which we will discuss just now one by one. Here we have to see when the members of a homologous pair of chromosomes fail to segregate during meiosis, a new pleiady results. This is, there is loss or gain of, yes, there is the gain, loss or gain of one or more chromosomes. Failure of separation of the duplicated chromosomes into daughter nuclei results in polyploidy, a phenomenon in which the cell has 3, 4 or more sets of chromosomes. All these things it will be discussed later on. First you have to understand that what is the different means what is when we will see the mutation, how does it arises and how does it brings the changes into the organisms. Mutations are responsible for variations also, as we have learned in class 10 also, that the evolution means it is the result of the variation, and this variation it may lead to the evolution. It means the mutation is also one of the most cause which brings changes. Let us see the flow chart of the mutation. Yes, just you can see it is mutation. Mutation is of two types: gene mutation, chromosomal mutation. Gene mutation, it is point mutation and the frame shift mutation. In the chromosomal mutation, there are structural variations or aberrations, or it may be the numerical variations. means when there is change in the structure of the chromosome, it will be known as the structural variations. When the number of chromosome, either it may be more or less, it will be known as the numerical variation. Again, the structural variation, it is of three types: deletion, duplication and inversion. Yes, the numerical variation is of two types, that is the aneuploidy and the polyploidy. Again, aneuploidy is of two types, trisomy and monosomy. All these are one by one I will discuss in my next video. Till then you have to write it. Okay.